Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing ripe tomatoes for sweetness. That matters because Vrat versions lack common spices. Once heated, add 1 tablespoon ghee so the base carries flavor, and sauté 1/2 tsp cumin and a slick green chili. You want aroma, not heat. Add the chopped or canned tomatoes immediately to deglaze. This releases their juices. Make sure to simmer on medium so they break down. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to speed up softening. Once tomatoes are soft and reduced about 30%, you'll want a silky texture, so cool briefly and blend. Use a hand blender right in the pan for fewer dishes or a standard blender with care. You blend to emulsify fats with tomato solids so the soup feels rich without masalas. Return the puree to low heat and whisk in 1/2 cup yogurt or coconut milk for creaminess, and add 1/4 tsp rock salt to balance acidity. Simmer gently to incorporate flavors. You finish by tasting and adjusting. Add a drizzle of ghee and chopped coriander for freshness, then ladle into bowls. If the soup tastes too tart, a pinch of sugar or extra yogurt will round it out. Make sure to add sparingly and retaste. If it's thin, simmer for 3 to 5 minutes to reduce. If it's too thick, stir in warm water 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.